Shanghai Anshion is a professional air compressor manufacturer in China. This two-stage screw air compressor, power 185 kilowatts, permanent magnet frequency conversion series. Using German imported brand air end, with efficient permanent magnet motor, two-stage compression effectively reduce the compression ratio, reduce leakage between the rotor. The same power under two-stage compression can effectively improve gas production. This series of models from 22 kilowatts to 355 kilowatts available. By air compressor, please look for Shanghai Anshion.